What year's your bike here?
2018, but it has a 2020 motor.
A 2020 motor. And it is a Triumph. Is it a triple?
Yes.
Cool. So what kind of work you got done to it?
Nothing much. It's pretty much stock at the moment.
Much stock?
I'm gonna be swapping out and getting a Super Duke R though, so
Really?
this is about to be sold
That's
probably
a huge
next week.
step up.
Yeah. I mean, my first bike was a MT09, or no, my first bike was an M109R, big old cruiser. And then I went to a CBR 600, and then I had a really old Gixxer 1000. And then I got this, and now I want to step up to I want more torque rather than more power.
Well, it seems like you're moving in the right direction.
Yeah.
You're getting like, you went from a cruiser to bikes that handle, now you're going for faster bikes. That's a good thing.
Yeah.
Did you change the engine out yourself?
No, it's still under warranty. It has another like 6 months of warranty left on it, full coverage.
Did you buy it with the new engine in it, or did you have to install it?
I had to have it installed. Triumph and Daytona did it for me, but they did.
Also, it was like a warranty job?
It was a warranty job, but it was terrible because the bike went in, then the hurricane hit, the entire store flooded, got destroyed, and they weren't able to get to the bike for like 5 months.
So by then you got a 4-year-old new engine, 4-year newer engine.
Yeah.
How about that?
Yeah, that's a good deal.
Not bad.
Not too
It's
bad.
amazing it fits in a 4-year-old older frame.
What kind of numbers you think she'll put out?
She feels down on power. I don't know if a spark plug is going out or something, but I'm hoping for anything over 120.
That's cool. That'd be good.
Let's see what happens.